How long have you been having this vertigo for?
About right now for a month, constantly without stopping for a month.
So what does it feel like when you have it?
Sometimes it feels like I'm in a boat and I'm going like this. When I lay back and I'm going to my bed, I feel like everything's spinning. The worst part is that the pain that comes from here and it goes to my jaw and it goes straight this part right here.
Well, the first thing we look for is there any abnormal temperature? So when the structure gets knocked out of alignment, it causes inflammation. And there's telltale signs of that inflammation. One of them is heat. So we have an abnormal heat temperature right at that level. We got a no right over here. Sorry. Moving on here. Right there. So when I first hear about a case like vertigo, the very first thought is we got to check what's going on in the foundation, because whatever affects from here, it's a down effect from the ground upwards. So we're going to check for edema. Not too bad here. It's a little swollen here. Not too bad here. But we do see a lot of bands of swelling over here. So we'll take a closer look. Yeah, there's quite a bit of swelling right on here. Tight muscles are here, soft here. How's that fella right there? Yeah, tight right there too, right?
Yeah.
And that fifth lumbar, that's not in great shape there. See, it just sinks right here, right? So we have pitting edema right over here. See, it sounds different here too, right at the spot. Okay, muscles are tight on more on the right side than the left. And we have edema here and here as well, and also between the spinous processes. And also abnormal movement here. This fellow right here is stuck. Feel that band over here? Okay, we have a lot of fluid on the left-hand side. Not too much on the right side. And a lot of muscle spasms on both sides over here. But more so on the left. So let's see what your body's trying to protect here. Yeah. Feel that right there? This fifth cervical is not ideal. It's not moving too well either. How's this feel right here?
Not so much pain. Just feels like my head weighs a ton.
So I feel a lot of fluid on the left hand side. I also feel a lot of fluid on the right hand side as well.
Okay.
How's this over here? Tender?
Tender, yeah.
Yeah. How's this one over here?
When you touch it, it makes my arm fall asleep. Yeah.
All right, so clearly that's demonstrating that there is some pressure on the nerve that's what's duplicating part of it. So we're on the right bone. That's a question of the actual listing. How's this feel over here? Does that makes your vertigo worse?
No,
when you
actually.
go to the left?
No,
No, to the right. Okay.
No, just feel the pain, that's all.
Got it. See over here, you're stuck over here. It's not moving too well. Another thing we want to take a look at is go ahead and open your mouth. Close. Yeah, you have TMJ.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's on the right hand side. So this is what we need to correct. Yes, we identified that fifth lumbar is in trouble. Right? The sixth dorsal over here is also in trouble. And also what's telling you is the sixth cervical right over here. Right? That's also problematic.
Okay.
And on top of all that fun, atlas is misaligned, hold on to the right side, and we see this TMJ is deviated towards the right hand side. So Right now, we're gonna start working over here. Because I understand you have a lot of vertigo. It's one to address the foundation, but let's focus here first because I don't want to mix systems on you. Let's stick with just parasympathetics. We're gonna just stay over here today.
Okay.
In a future visit, we're gonna address the 6th dorsal and the 5th lumbar in the next visit.
Okay.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
Time to buck you in, champ.
Okay.
We're gonna go for a nice little ride here. All right? We're gonna get rid of this vertigo.
Okay.
Just let go, relax right here, and
It's better.
better in what way?
I can move my head. Yeah. Much better.
Good.
Yeah.
Ready for round 2?
Yeah.
Have a seat. Go ahead, open mouth. Close. Do you feel that bone that was sticking out this way, right?
Yeah.
So, first things first. Okay, open your mouth. Close. Open. Slowly close. There we go. Open. Close. Open. No, open wide. Close. There it is. Open. Close. Open. Close. Okay. We have to guide this one a little bit in. Not too much. Just a little bit. Open. Close. Open. Open. Close. Okay, walk.
Yeah.
Fill us in.
Oh, okay, yeah. I feel like myself again. The pain is gone.
Mm-hmm.
The pain is gone.
That's right.
The pain is gone. Thank you.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Thank you so much. Oh my God. My God. Thank you so much. It's gone. It is. I'm not making it up. It is gone. Wow.
How's the dizziness?
It's gone.
Pretty wild, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh my God. I can like look all over the place.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my
Oh, you're
God.
welcome.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I've been having this for so long. Oh my God. Thank you so much. This thing is gone. The pain here is gone. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wow. Wow. All right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now go say hello to your husband there.
Oh my God.
I've been telling you for the longest to come.
Oh God, he did it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. You'll
It's
come
gone,
to the
yeah.
first day, you'll be okay.
And he fixed this.
Good. Okay.
It's not
Thank
gonna
you.
come back there.
Well, we still gotta check
We
on
still
it.
have to
And
work.
the other thing we have to keep in mind is this. That 6th dorsal and your 5th lumbar, these are your foundation. You keep this in place, right? So it may come back a few weeks afterwards. That's why we mentioned about in future visit. We do need to address these down the road.
Okay.
But right now, we just had to address these two, okay? You know, your jaw and that atlas, just to, you know, get rid of all this, you know, the vertigo, the dizziness, the TMJ problem.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank
Oh,
you.
you're very welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, now we're all set.
Okay.
See you in the future.
Okay. No, I'll be here. Not the future.
Yeah, see you in the next visit.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank
you.
you, doctor. Thank you.